What is this? It's a circle of dough, some tomato sauce, and cheese. It's a food so simple. A child can make it. But what if I told you this was once food for kings? That it was once illegal? That its invention sparked one of the first furred delivery wars. This isn't just pizza. This is a story of war, migration, and a queen's secret craving. This is the secret history of pizza. To find the true origin of pizza, we have to go back. Way back! Humans have been eating flatbreads for thousands of years. The ancient Egyptians, Romans, and Greeks all had versions. They'd top them with olive oil, native herbs, and cheese. It was fuel for soldiers and peasants filling. Cheap, portable. But our story really begins in the 18th century, in the bustling, poor port city of Naples, Italy. This is where the pizza, as we know it, was born. Neapolitans needed food that was inexpensive and could be eaten quickly. Enter the peasant. These street vendors would sell flatbreads with various toppings to the working poor. They were eaten for any meal and were seen as a humble street food. Definitely not something for the upper class. So, how did this food of the poor become a global superstar? It all started with a queen and a secret pizza mission. In 1889, King Umberto I and Queen Margherita are touring their new unified kingdom of Italy. They get to Naples, and the queen gets bored. She's tired of the fancy French cuisine served at court. She hears about this delicious but common street food and wants to try it. She secretly summons the city's most famous pizzaiolo, Raffaele Esposito, to the palace to make his best pies. Esposito makes 3 pizzas. One with garlic and oil, one with tiny fish. And for his third, he goes all out. He creates a pizza specifically to honor the Queen and the new Italian flag. Red tomatoes, white mozzarella, green basil, il tricolor, the Italian flag on a plate. The Queen was absolutely blown away. Her favorite, the patriotic one, of course. Pizza Margherita was born. This was a marketing miracle. The most famous woman in Italy gave pizza her royal seal of approval. Almost overnight, pizza shed its low-class reputation and became a national sensation. But pizza still hadn't conquered the world. For that, it needed a ticket. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, millions of Italian immigrants came to the United States, and they brought their food traditions with them. The first U.S. pizzerias popped up in cities like New York, Boston, and Chicago, serving the immigrant community. Lombardi's opened in New York City in 1905 is widely credited as America's first pizzeria. But for decades, pizza was still mostly an Italian thing. So what changed? World War II. American soldiers stationed in Italy tasted real pizza and loved it. When they came home, they craved it. They created a massive new market for this exotic food they'd discovered overseas. The final piece of the puzzle, convenience. As America became more suburban and more obsessed with cars and convenience, pizza evolved. The sliced joint became a staple, but the real game changer was delivery. In the 1960s, chains like Pizza Hut and Domino's turned pizza into a logistical empire. Their entire business model was built on getting a hot pizza to your door faster than anyone else. This wasn't just food, it was a service. It was the perfect food for a busy, modern world. And from there, pizza went global, morphing into endless styles. Chicago deep dish, California, gourmet, Hawaiian, and even bizarre international interpretations like squid pizza in Japan and banana pizza in Sweden. The humble Neapolitan flatbread had taken over the world. Post on camera with a pizza, so the next time you open that box or tear into a slice, remember, you're not just eating fast food. You're tasting centuries of history. You're tasting the ingenuity of Neapolitan peasants, the approval of a queen, the hopes of immigrants, and the convenience of the modern age. It's a food that literally united a country and then went on to conquer the world. All on a delicious, cheesy, tomato-white canvas. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a date with history.